Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to connect Candy Crush Saga to Facebook. To connect Candy Crush Saga to Facebook, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device, and then from the home page, tap on Retrieve My Progress. There you will see a couple of sign up and login options. Simply tap on the Continue With drop-down and click on Continue with Facebook. Click the Continue button and enter your Facebook account's credentials by tapping Continue. After entering your Facebook account's credentials, click on Continue button once again and you will successfully be able to log in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. Your game progress will automatically sync to your Facebook account. This means you can save your progress, request lives from friends, and play seamlessly across multiple devices. So that's how you easily connect Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.